Hey guys, today we're doing Krabby Creations again, and Dino Kid is sharpening the pencil now because I tried to do it before and it just got everywhere. Alright, he sharpened his pencil and now he's drawing something really cool. Hey, look at that! What are you drawing, Kate?
Is that me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! What are we gonna do? Are we gonna color that in with paint?
Yeah.
Oh cool. Which colors are we gonna use?
Two different types of blues. This kind of darkish green.
And red's my favorite color.
And then we've got a little bit of white for those bits of Krabby.
Yeah, for my beautiful eyes.
And then we've got black for around the white bits.
Oh yeah.
And then the mouth.
Yeah, one big tip is that you don't put too much paint at the same time because you can always refill it because you want to be a bit sparsely with your paint. And only a little bit of black and a little bit of white because we don't need much of that. And we've got a bit more blue because there's a lot of blue gonna come there, right? It's gonna be, the background's gonna be blue, right? Don't paint me blue, right?
Nah.
I'm gonna be in the foreground, red. So why are there so many different sizes paintbrushes, Ricky? What do you do with that?
We've got the small one. We use the small one for that bit.
Oh, for the detail.
This one is for a wee bit thicker, like around there.
And then the thickest one is gonna be
Which is this guy.
this guy to paint big fat Krabby. So can you actually already make a demonstration with painting these lines maybe on the paper? Oh, that's very thin line. Oh yeah, I see. Look, that's already bigger.
And we need to wash our paintbrushes.
Oh, wash?
Dirty.
Dirty. So Dino Kid's washing his brushes.
Okay, we've got the dirty one and then we've got the clean one, which is just making sure that the brush is clean. This one will be for the red.
Yeah, okay, show me what the line is at. Oh, look, that's way thicker. Now I get it. You're cleaning the brush in the clean water first. No, first in dirty water. It was beautiful. One more clean in the clean water. And then you wipe it on the wipe.
Now we get the big guy.
It's got the big guy now. Oh, we're gonna do with the big guy. Blue water, right? It's a big line in one go. So you need different kind of paintbrushes to get different kinds of lines. So are you ready for painting now? I'm just sitting here on one side, very far away from all the paint, because in another video I was too close to the paint and then I got all stained. I had to be in the washing machine.
Okay, first we're gonna do some blue with the big guy.
Blue with the big guy, yay. Blue for ocean.
First, we're gonna mix the colors with any kind of paintbrush, but I'm just gonna use the big guy for mixing. And we're gonna mix them in here. Washy, washy, wash, wash. Washy, wash, wash, wash. Now we do this guy.
We got kind of like 3 different kind of blues now. Very light blue, medium dark blue, and super dark blue. Oh wow, look, he's gonna put the blue on. Oh wow.
Yeah,
That
I'm
looks
putting some blue
cool.
on. Oops.
Oops.
That's gonna end up drying up and we can just paint red over it.
Yes, you're not meant to do your brush what you're doing because you're breaking the brush. You always have to go in one direction. I know a few things about art, you know. It's starting to look good.
Oh, we might need
We might need a bit more blue.
more blue.
Yeah, I think you might need way more blue. Let's get some more blue in. I'm mixing the colors. Ah, yo. Can I paint? Can I paint?
No!
I did something wrong. I didn't do the washy first in the dirty and then the clean.
Krabby, you mixed all the colors up.
Well, that's the whole point of mixing, right?
No, it
We still-
isn't. Krabby, are
Yeah.
you listening?
I'm listening
Another
always.
technique for art is to take lots of paint on your paintbrush.
I need to correct you here, only for the big backgrounds. Because when you're gonna do a fine detail with lots of paint on your brush, it's not gonna be good. When it looks super dry like that, you wanna have a bit more paint on your brush. I like it already. Beautiful.
We're gonna save some of those bits for the thinner brushes.
Yeah, so that is actually how you do it, eh? So you first paint with
The big bit.
with the big bits.
Some of the blue we're actually gonna use different paintbrushes.
You already want to take a thinner paintbrush now and do the details of it.
Why?
Because otherwise it's gonna dry up. You're not gonna have the same color. Take one of the other ones.
Why?
Because I tell you so. You need to keep going there with the same color. So you start big and then you already start working on making it more detailed.
More paint.
That's it. I've actually just been watching painting YouTube channels and I learned about this. I did a pretty good job on the mixing, didn't I?
You did.
Don't do this at home, okay? I make the mistakes here.
Yeah. And the jokes.
And the joke.
It's getting a wee bit boring.
We're gonna put it on speed. This.
A thinner brush. No, it's fine. Yeah, but you're not showing it properly to the kids' eye. If you're talking about thin brushes and now you're making it up there.
I told him he should use the other smaller brush to get that right. He didn't listen. Alright, it's turning the canvas now to do the other part of the top. Look at me, I look so amazing. Oh, I'm afraid
What?
that I had some blue on my... Oh, the key. Can I give you a tip, Dino Kid?
Okay.
When it's getting so dry, you need to just take a bit of water on your brush. Or more paint. It's using the smaller brush now for the smaller parts. Can you see that? That's it. You can do way more details. See, and you want to spread out the paint. You don't want to have big blobs of paint on your painting. He's a good painter, right? He knows how to do it. You properly spread the paint out and you get it everywhere in every little corner.
I might need a wee bit more paint.
Now you can take the bigger brush again. Don't go with my brush.
You got paint, water. You got water all over it. Crabby.
It's like I'm blowing bubbles. Look, it's bubbles. I'm blowing bubbles.
That's how it's under the ocean. Everything is full of bubbles. There's something need to go wrong, right? I was thinking, what can I make go wrong? I couldn't think of anything. And then I accidentally did it.
Painting with you is so much fun. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Remember, they're always strokes in one direction, not all the time from bang, bang, bang. That's it. When you start getting dry, you need to lift them up and... Yeah.
Hey, that's starting to look good, eh? I love it. The background color is so bright and blue. See, and that's what you want to do. You want to use your brush, go all the time in the same direction. And then if it starts getting dry, that's when you need a bit more paint. All right? That's what you have to learn today. That's it. And then you keep your brushes good. We're going to show a few more techniques. Yeah. While Dino is painting. So this one is just one brush, okay? Even with one brush, you can do different kind of things. You can put the brush flat, and then you get a big line. Put the brush on its sides, and then you get a thin line. You see that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? So, flat, big line, and straight up, thin line. Same brush.
Yeah, I already know that.
Oh, I put it in the wrong way. The clean is not clean anymore. I need to wash. Gotta get some more clean water. You can also add a little bit of water to the paint and then it looks a bit more transparent. Look, we also started painting the sides of the canvas. Because if you do that and you hang it on the wall, then it looks so really neat. Because we don't want all that whitey stuff on the sides that looks a bit unfinished. Dino Kid, you're going really dark there. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, then one dark spot. Maybe that's like a dung. What's called that animal that does dung.
Shark.
Shark. Maybe there's a black shark behind me, the shadow of a shark. Getting closer to the finish. Oops. Alright, that's okay. Oh, dude, he's got a tiny little detail to do. Look, he's got his little brush. Then you can go in the corners very neatly. Dino Kid has finished off the first part, which is the
Blue.
ocean. And it's all dry, so now he can start painting on the next part. What are you gonna do now?
We're gonna do the seaweed, which is the green.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. I've got 3 stripes of seaweed above my head. I'm gonna take another color.
No,
Just washing for fun.
no, I'm just.
Yeah, of course. When you change brush, you need to clean the other one, because if you let it dry with all the paint on, it makes the brush go hard and you can't use it anymore. You also have to look at how he's holding that paintbrush. So with his thumb and then his index finger and middle finger holding the paintbrush very tight, and then that is really good for doing details. Look how pretty he's doing that. Alright, it's finally getting on to the very most exciting part, which is me. I'm red and that is red. And red is the most amazing color in the world, isn't it? Red
Yeah.
is my favorite color. Is it your favorite color? I hope so. Alright, look at me. I'm just upside down. I'm actually doing a handstand in the ocean.
No, you aren't.
Okay. I'm posing for the picture. Yeah, I'm the model, and then Dino Kitty is the artist and he's painting me. He hasn't done the most amazing part yet, which is my beautiful eyes and my beautiful smile. I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit about art history. Now this very amazing cool painting is from Matisse, and you know what? It's a bit abstract, but I think he was inspired by a crab. Look, it's got red and leggies and 2 eyes on the top and lots of seaweed. Dana Kit's painting is also looking a bit Matisse-ish looky like, eh?
Who's Matisse?
Matisse is a very important French famous artist from a bit longer ago. I need to Google. And Matisse, you know what? He really loved seaweed. He loved it so much, he just kept painting it. Look, lots of seaweed. I think honestly, if Matisse would love your work, eh? You'd say, wow, I love the colors so bright and the seaweed so curly. What are you doing?
I'm just getting the red that I accidentally.
Oh, how do you do accidentally stuff? Oh, how do you take it off? Oh, with some paper.
A little bit more paint.
A bit more paint, I would say so.
Or some water.
Yeah, but if you put too much water, then it will dilute the paint. Dilute means more water, and then it looks so more pinkish.
Yeah.
But it's kind of cool. Look, it gives so like an effect of light. I love it when you paint me. It just makes me feel special and important, because I am, right?
Yeah,
I
you
am.
are.
Oh, look at, he's getting better at doing all those details.
Might need to switch to a different paintbrush.
Oh, Dino, you got a bit of red on your Dino t-shirt.
No, that's just from tomato sauce.
Oh, how did the tomato sauce end up there? Rawr. You like your dinosaur t-shirts, right?
Yeah.
15 hours later.
No, it's 5 hours later.
I quite like my mouth white. It's kind of cool as well.
Nah.
Like a beautiful bright white smile. Not like this black one.
But you want it to look exactly like you.
Yes, a perfect copy of a perfect Krabby. And then we can hang it on the wall. We can ask lots of millions of dollars for it as well. Maybe we can sell it like a Krabby tease. Like Matisse, crab tease. Crab tease. Well, I have always silly jokes, don't I? That's a zebra there. What is he doing up there? Well, I didn't paint that. Who did paint the zebra up there? Did you do that?
Nope.
Oh, weird. Looking at the picture the other way around now. Oh, wow, that's actually way better this way.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Yeah, that's dry enough.
Just checking if the paint was dry enough there to put my mouth on, because it's gonna put black now, right?
What?
The brick might have dried up.
Nah, it didn't.
Look, with a very fine paintbrush, can put the smile on. And it looks like I've got a rotten teeth there. You're painting me like a parrot.
What?
Oh no, you're doing the right thing. You need to make sure there's no white sticking things out, but it will look like a parrot with no teeth. It looks like me, doesn't it? Look, that's me. It looks better than me.
You look better than it.
Oh wow, look at the eye coming along. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Why do you keep saying beautiful in this video, Krabby?
Alright, cool, amazing, fantastic, mind-blowing, crabblicious. Look at that, my eyes. It looks perfect. Don't touch anymore. Now, actually, you need to finish it off, right? This is the best part of the whole painting, and my beautiful eyes and my beautiful smile. Oh, my phenomenal, fantastic smile. You still need to touch up these things here. Right?
Yeah,
It's
I
all
know.
white and stuff. I need to put more red there.
Yeah, we're gonna do that at the end. From far, it looks perfect.
Yeah, don't go too close, but from far I look perfect.
See
Right?
if that's dry.
That
Yeah,
needs
that's
a wee
dry
while to
enough.
dry.
Nah, it's dry enough
Already?
Krabby. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
of course it is. Because it's acrylic. It's fast drying.
Yeah,
too.
acrylics are fast drying. That's why you should always wash your brushes with acrylic. Otherwise, the paint dries on the brush.
And then they go all hard.
And they go all hard.
And now we are finito, which means finish.
Yeah, okay. I think you still need to do a bit of touching up there, though, in
Yeah,
certain
we do,
areas.
we do.
All right, look at
I
that.
finished the painting off.
Yeah, you did all the touching up as I told you to. Look, it looks way better. Oh, wow, it's actually really ready to put on the wall. What do you guys think of
is.
mine? I did that one. Good, eh? Yeah, it's a Krabby Castle. And you did the Dino Kit Matisse kind of thing there.
We're gonna
Please
put it
subscribe
with your
and
other
like.
paintings.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it with
Oh yeah,
your
let's do
other
that now. Come, let's go. Let's go.
But
Come.
we need to frame it up first.
Now well, let's go and hold it already next to the other ones. Come on. Aww.
Okay.
Okay. Kick, look, that's me. And that's another me. And now, we've got even more me. It's me, Krabby. Look at that. Hey, cool, eh? We've got actually another one that you guys haven't seen yet. It's me surfing.
Yeah.
So cool. All right, guys. Happy you watch our art videos, and see you later.
Bye.